Hi, John here from Dash Media. Photos are an essential part of content on the web, and adding new content usually means adding new photos to your site. That said, high-resolution photos usually need a bit of work done to them before they're ready to be uploaded to your website. A photo needs to be resized to an appropriate width and height. It needs to be compressed for the web, making it load quickly on your website, and it needs a good file name that ideally describes the photo, is all lowercase, and has no spaces. The good news is that there's a free and easy to use tool called Polarr that can do this for you. Let's take a look. So in my web browser over here, I'm going to head over to Polarr.co, polarr.co with 2 R's. Then I'm going to click this Use Polarr Photo Editor 2 in your web browser. What that'll do is load up a new browser tab where I can use the app straight away in my web browser. Nothing to install, nothing to buy, super easy. The first time you open Polarr, it'll show this tutorial. You can skip the tutorial by clicking the little X in the corner, as we're going to ignore 99% of the features in Polarr. In fact, the only 2 buttons we care about are the import and export buttons at the top left. Click on the import button and choose the original photo from your computer. After the photo is loaded, click the export button. This is where the magic happens. First, change the quality setting from high to low. For most websites, the low setting is still good enough for the photo to look great. Second, change the width of the image. When you do, the height will automatically adjust to match. 1000 pixels is an appropriate width for uploading to most of the websites that we've worked on recently, so I'm going to enter 1000. Next, update the name of the file so that it describes the image, is all lowercase, and has no spaces. Use a hyphen instead of a space if you need to. So I'm going to do it like this. Finally, click the download button to save the newly web-ready version of the photo to your computer. That's it. I now have my original photo, that's 7.5 megabytes, and my web-ready compressed version, that is, well, over 70 times smaller. So that's pretty good. Was this video helpful? What free tools do you use to create web content? Let us know in the comments below. You can subscribe for more videos at youtube.com/dashmediadarwin.